Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by naming n and k clearly. N is the total pool, k is how many you pick. Once done, make sure both are integers and 0 less or equal to k less or equal to n, otherwise the combination is undefined. You will use the formula C, n k equals n, slash k, nk, so note where factorials apply. Next, simplify by choosing the smaller of k and n minus k to reduce work. This choice shortens calculations and prevents huge intermediate factorials. Now prepare to cancel factors. You now simplify algebraically. Expand only the top product you need rather than full n. Once done, express n as n times n minus 1 times, down to n minus k plus 1 if k is smaller, then divide by k. You can cancel shared factors step by step to keep numbers small. Make sure to reduce fractions at every stage so intermediate values stay manageable. This avoids overflow. If numbers remain large, compute as successive multiplications and divisions, not raw factorials. You finish by performing the remaining multiplications and divisions, always reducing as you go so each division yields an integer. Once you have the final number, check using symmetry, swap k with n minus k. The result should match. Make sure the result is an integer. If you see a fractional remainder, revisit cancellations and the order of operations. If errors persist, recompute using prime factorization of each term to spot missed common factors and correct any arithmetic slips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.